Look at this little beauty. These bees coming back here to this colony, back to the hive, back to the nest, are bringing pollen with them. It's the 10th of November and it's like a spring morning. They're collecting ivy, not just from here, but elsewhere in the city. And up here, I don't know if the camera will pick it up or not. But that's buzzing with bees. That's a pheasant. So in this woodland where that colony is, there's lots of available food for them. All up through there, ivy. And it's a valuable food source to them. Next year, this is going to be my breeding colony, my cell builder. So when I put queen cells in there, that pollen is going to be used, if it's stored, is going to be used to feed the new queens. Make royal jelly. So just as an example, if I put another colony beside it and they all fly to the same place, I've halved the available amount of food that these bees can get. So they will suffer. Also, the biodiversity in that area that's already established, if you introduce a new colony, will also suffer, because the bees will come along and take food from those that are already there. So every time you add a colony, you're taking food from those that are already established, unless you replace that food. But you've got to replace the food first, then add your colonies.